Hey Lions, thanks for joining me for another lesson. So we are going to learn two new sight words and we'll practice the sight words we learned before today. And then we're going to practice spelling and reading a story together. This is going to help us to become automatic readers and automatic spellers. Okay, the first new word I have for you is go. Would you like to go for a walk? Let's spell it. G-O, and read it, go. Let's do it one more time. We'll read, spell, read. Go, spell, G-O, go. Good job. The next word is down. I like to walk down the hill instead of up. Down. Spell it, D-O-W-N. Read, down. Let's read, spell, read one more time. Down, D-O-W-N, down. Good job, Lions. Okay, let's read, spell, read our other sight words. Remember, sight words or heart words are words that we need to know automatically rather than sounding them out because they're words that are used in almost every story we read. And a lot of them don't follow the phonics rules. And so we need to know them automatically. And they're also words that you're going to use a lot in your own writing. So you do want to know them automatically. Okay, read, spell, read. Two, T-O-2. Good. Under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Can't, C-A-N apostrophe T, can't. Remember, this is a contraction. A contraction is two small words glued together, and it's a shorter way of saying two small words, and the apostrophe glues them together. He, H-E, he. Oops, I dropped one. R, A-R-E-R. Good. This is the one I dropped. This is our other contraction. Isn't. I-S-N apostrophe T, isn't. Remember, this is short for is not. So we have two small words, and this is a way of saying it in a shorter way. And they're glued together with the apostrophe. No, N-O, no. The opposite of that is yes. Y-E-S, yes. On, O-N, on. Can, C-A-N, N, can. Let's do that again. Can, C-A-N, can. You can do it. Read, I, spell, I, read, I. Me, M-E, me. See, S-E-E-C. The, T-H-E, the. Is, I-S, is. You, Y-O-U, you. And, A-N-D, and. Get, G-E-T, get. She, S-H-E, she. We, W-E, we. Was, W-A-S, was. Good job. Okay, if you don't have paper and pencil, you can push pause on the video while you go get your materials. And if you're ready, we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is spell our new sound from yesterday. Duh, duh. Like the digging dog. Before you write duh, I want to show you which way to put the circle and the stick. Because remember, we want to practice it the correct way from the beginning so we don't have to retrain our brain. So the duh sound, the letter D, starts with a circle. Okay? And then we're going to put the stick on this side. Okay, so down we go. Duh. Let's practice it two more times. So remember, it starts with a circle. And then we're going to put the stick on this side. Circle and then the stick. Okay. One more circle, and then the stick. D, the letter D. D, the letter D. The reason why we want to practice this because this letter is often confused with another letter that looks very similar. Okay? All right. Now, say the word mud. Mud. Sound it. Mud. Mud. Go ahead and spell mud. 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 Did your word look like this? Mud. Mud. Good job. And the D goes to the top line. The M and U go to the midline. I should have pointed that out earlier. Okay, the next word, gotta sneeze. The next, excuse me. The next word is mad. Mad. Let's sound that word. Add. Mad. Go ahead and spell the word mad. Add. Mad. Mad. So the M and A go to the midline and the D goes to the top. Okay, say had. Sound it. Add. Had. So mad, had. Do you hear a rhyme? Mad. Now our word is had. Add. That sounds like the huffing horse at the beginning of our word. Let me move this down. Hear the picking apple. D, the digging dog. Had. Do you notice that mad and had, they end the same? They have the same sound at the end. And look, the last two letters are the same. Mad, had. They both have A, D. So it sounds the same and it's the same letters. So if you can spell mad, you can spell had. Oh, listen to the next word. Sad. Mad, had, sad. They all rhyme. Let's sound sad. Add. Sad. Go ahead and spell sad. Add. Sad. See if you can spell mad, had. You can spell sad. And again, the first two letters go to the midline and the D goes to the top. So remember how yesterday in our lesson, we started off with the rhyming. We talked about how when you can generate rhymes, it can help you with spelling. A lot of words that rhyme can be spelled the same at the end. Okay? All right. The next word is fun. Fun. Sound it. Fun. Go ahead and spell fun. Unfun. Like the flying fish. So the F goes to the top line and then it spills over and you cross the F at the midline and the U and N go to the midline. Okay. That's why it's helpful to have paper with lines on it because it can help you figure out how high or how low to go with the letter. All right, the next word, or actually the last word we're going to spell is one of our new sight words, and it is go. G-O, go. Go ahead and spell go. Remember when we spell our sight words or our heart words, we say the letters out loud. That way we see them, hear them, and we feel it while we're writing. And the letter G is going to go down below the bottom line. Ready? Go. G-O, go. G-O. So let me show you how you make that G. So you make your circle, okay? And then you're going to go down below. I wanted to show you in case you had trouble making that letter. G-O, go. All right, last thing we have to do is we're going to read our story. Now, this word's underlined like it's one of our sight words, but we haven't learned it yet. But and I see he's going down a slide. Fun on the slide. Fun on the slide. It does look like fun. I always love the giant slides at the carnival. Okay. Sam had a hat. His hat was tan. Tan. Sam had a hat. His hat was tan. Notice the ending punctuation. We have periods at the end of our sentences, the end of our thoughts. Make sure you use ending punctuation in your own writing. Did Sam sit under the slide? No, he sat on it. Did Sam sit under the slide? No, he sat on it. Now, don't forget, boys and girls, when I show the page, it's a good time for you to pause the video and try reading the page on your own before we read it together. That way you can read at your own pace, and this gives you really good practice with the sounds and sight words that we've learned. It was fun to go down. Sam was fast. It was fun to go down. Sam was fast. We have a slide right near our house that's really fast too. It's a metal slide. Was the hat on Sam? No, it wasn't on him. Was the hat on Sam? No, it wasn't on him. See how we have a question mark? That means they're asking something and they want to answer. And the answer was no. The hat was down in the mud. Sam was sad. The hat was down in the mud. Sam was sad. Oh, darn. Did Anne sit on the slide? Yes, she had fun. Did Anne sit on the slide? Yes, she had fun. Uh-oh. Anne was fast. She hit Sam. Anne was fast. She hit Sam. I can tell by her expression she didn't mean to. So I hope she says sorry. I know that's something we talk about a lot on the playground. If something happens by accident, you make sure you say sorry, even if you didn't mean to. Okay, here we go. Anne was sad. Sam was mad. Anne was sad. Sam was mad. Well, I hope she lets them know it was an accident and she says sorry, and I hope Sam forgives her. That would be the right thing to do. All right, guys, good job reading the story. And tomorrow we will learn some new sounds and some new sight words. Thanks for joining me, and I'll look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Bye, Lion.